Do you have an earache? If so, you've come to the right video. Today, we're going to talk about how to get rid of an earache fast using stuff you probably already have in your home. Earaches can be slightly painful to extremely painful. An earache is caused by a fluid buildup due to some infection or pressure buildup in the middle ear. Swimming, bathing, allergies, or even cleaning your ear with a Q-tip can lead to discomfort, bacterial growth, and infection in the ear. The most common cause of an earache is due to plugged Eustachian tubes, which is a small tube connecting the ear to the nose. If and when your Eustachian tubes become blocked, fluid will gather, resulting in a painful earache. An increase in pressure leads to pain, hearing loss, itching, and swelling elsewhere in the ear. To avoid an earache and infections, you should keep the Eustachian tube free of pollutants and irritants and regularly clean the nasal passage. If you have a severe earache, we recommend contacting your doctor. But if you only have a mild earache, you can try some of these home remedies. The best remedy for earache pain is moist heat around the ear. A warm compress such as a towel wrung out in hot water and pressed against the ear brings almost immediate relief. Another thing you can do is, after you take a shower or bath, blow dry your ears instead of rubbing them. You can try soothing the air with the warm setting of your hairdryer too. Something else you should try is to puncture a piece of garlic and pour the juice in the ear. Since garlic is a natural antibiotic, it will help take the pain away. If you have some mineral oil in your house, put some in your ear before going into the water. Wear earplugs while swimming and avoid swimming in dirty waters. Another remedy that works really well is to warm a few drops of olive oil in a spoon. Using a dropper, put 2 to 3 drops in each ear after the oil has cooled down. This will help relieve the pain. Excessive earwax can also cause hearing problems and earaches. Put a cap full of hydrogen peroxide in each ear. Let it set for a minute or two and then let it drain out. 1 drop of alcohol after bathing can also prevent excessive earwax. A hot water bottle wrapped in a towel also makes a comforting pillow for an aching ear. Press a dual-purpose first aid gel pack that you can warm up in hot water in the microwave on your ear. That will make you feel a lot better. Or you can warm up an oven-safe plate, wrap it in a towel, and rest your aching ear right on it. The plate should be warm and comforting, not hot. Warm mineral oil may soothe your sore ear too. Use a dropper to drip the oil in and gently pull the outside of the ear to make sure it goes down. If wind bothers your aching ears, wear a scarf when you're outside or put cotton in the opening of the ear, but avoid pushing the cotton down from where you cannot retrieve it with your fingers. If your ears hurt when the pressure changes, especially during descent and landing during an airplane flight, chew gum or suck on candy. The chewing or sucking will activate the muscles that send air to your inner ears. When you hear your ears pop, you'll feel better. If chewing doesn't work, close your mouth, relax your cheek muscles, hold your nose, and blow 1 nostril at a time gently until you feel relief. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you get the earache pain relief that you're looking for. If this video helped you in any way, please consider clicking the like button and subscribing to our channel. It will help us a lot. Thank you.